Okay, for... Alright. Saan yung GE student spaces sinasabi?
We will give the students two options. First, sa tapat na instrument room, doon sa may hallway ng GE wing, yung isang side lang yung i-occupy. And secondly, currently the department chair is in consultation with the admin kung pwede ba ibigay yung ES room sa first floor. He is really supportive para ibigay yung kalahati for the GE student space.
Quickly run na lang ng projects niyo.
Firstly is with the farmers. Ito yung task force na magsasagawa ng land titles and deeds caravans sa isang community. And then nextly is yung laban, mostly for basic student services like GE Acad software, instrument tutorial videos online, GE promotion awareness campaign videos online din, and then hands-on tutorials, and then yung umbrella and walkie-talkie borrowing services and printing service sa instrument room.
Right.
So, here we have one, yung para sa organized. Magkakaroon tayo ng equipment project kung saan magiging online na yung reservation and borrowing form. Tapos magkakaroon din ng online tracker na Google Calendar. Tapos yung sa needs, dadagdagan yung mga safety vests and boots. Tsaka dadagdagan din ng umbrella and arm sleeves. Tapos para sa engage, yung Freshie Bootcamp na series of events para ma-introduce yung GE program sa incoming freshers.
Okay, for Prime, yung Google Calendar for the tracker ng mga borrowing system nyo, sino yung mag-update and sino yung mag-upkeep?
So, with our consultations, ang mag-update lang nito ay yung administrator ng instrument room at hindi siya pwedeng ma-edit ng mga students.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa rin siya totally online kasi the students have to reserve it to the instrumentation room.
Yeah, so yun po kasing plan namin is yung borrowing is online. Pero kasi the instrument room already planning to have the Google Calendar. Magkikipag-partner lang kami sa kanila. So basically, ang gagawin is kung yung info na nasa borrower's form, ito-transfer na nila sa Google Calendar. They have planned it naman na and we are going to partner with them for that.
So kung yung reservation ay online, what if nagpa-reserve ako for like gabi? Hindi naman agad-agad ma-reflect yun sa Google Calendar. Tapos usually ang problem kasi sa instrument room, nagko-coincide yung classes ng prof sa, kunyari, kami, hindi namin natapos yung fieldwork namin for this time. Kailangan namin magpa-reserve. Anong gagawin niyo about it? So, hindi magiging effective yung Google Calendar kung gano'n.
You mean po kapag may extra fieldwork days? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so pag may extra fieldwork days po, hindi po kasi ang plan po kasi talaga ng tracker is to inform yung students kung nasa yung specific equipment at a specific time. Yun talaga inform, for example, di ba TS number 2 favorite yun ng students? So parang like, asan na ba ito TS number 2? Kailangan namin to. Parang more like, alam na ng mga tao kung asan instruments kasi kulang instruments natin. So mas maganda inform tayo kung asan nga ba sila.
Okay. For Prime, yung Fresh Bootcamp, tuwing kailan to gagawin? Ano yung mga set of activities and block handling ba to with or partnerships?
So, gagawin natin yung Freshie Bootcamp during mid-year. Based sa consultations namin with Sir Les. Kasi, ang isang problem sa GE ay kadalasan hindi tumutuloy yung mga GE. Dahil hindi nila alam kung ano yung meron program. So, dun sa bootcamp na ito, kakaroon ng Freshie Bootcamp kung saan may day na may introduce sila sa basic surveying concept. Tapos magkakaroon din ng pagsa-set up ng...
Okay, diba kasi laban yung sa GE. So, dalawa from Prime, dalawa from RS. If isa lang sa inyo per party ang mananalo, sino at bakit, at sino sa kabila yung pipiliin yung mag-fill up ng second position. Sige, RS muna.
Siguro, I haven't worked with them before, pero siguro si Enna, kasi may mutual friends kami and sabi nila, okay naman siya.
Sino from you? Marion or you?
I will choose myself given my experience and track record.
Para sa akin, pipiliin ko si Charm kasi nakatrabaho ko siya sa GE Days at siya yung head for publications ng GE Days 2018. Tapos, yung sa question, naniniwala ako sa kakayahan ni Sarah, pero syempre, pipiliin ko ang sarili ko dahil naniniwala ako na marami pa akong maitutulong at may bibigay sa department.
So, to be honest, I'd rather work with my partner Anna, pero if I really have to choose, I would choose Marion kasi kilala ko na siya since first year. And I know just how she is. And if I were to choose, Anna is really good when it comes to work ethics. Pero I'd have to choose myself kasi I know what I'm capable of and I know what I can do.
Ano pipiliin yung ESC headship?
Ang icon.
Oh wait.
And weak.
So, kaya to. So, nung nag-start kasi kami as GA reps, tapos nagpa-call kami for Volcor. 70 yung nag-sign up for Volcor. Pero aminin namin na hindi naman lahat yun ay active. Paano nyo gagawing active yung Volcor nyo para sa lahat ng trabaho nyo, hindi kayo mahihirapan, may tao kayo.
Right.
So, ayun nga, di ba, isa sa mandate ng council na mag-initiate ng projects para sa holistic development ng engineering students, kaya naman magkakaroon, sa Volcar ng SIGE ay magkakaroon tayo ng training ng team building para naman ma-engage at maging involved lalo yung engineering students. Yung students sa department.
And yun,
Meron kaming vision for the department, yung United, and then meron kaming activities like acquaintance party, kung saan target namin yung freshies, dun yung recruitment talaga personally, so makikipag-engage tayo with the G students. Tapos, i-exhaust din natin lahat ng possible modes ng pag-recruit. For example, RTRs, online. And then, ayun, for more members, yung freshies yung target natin.
Do you think effective yung bridge, yes or no?
Yes, it's really,
Yes or no?
yes, sorry.
Yes.
Yes.
Rated from 1 to 10.
8.
8.
The current bridge right now, I'll give it 7.
Nagbabasa ba kayo ng bridge, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Ano yung first namin ni-release na bridge?
At kailan? Charot.
Alumni homecoming.
I think yung lab rationalization. Lab P rationalization.
I don't remember yung first news na nandun sa harap.
For Arise, yung Meet the Farmers, yan. Do you know how the process of land title acquisition?
Yes, in context lang, yung meron kaming subject na GE148 and GE119 na related sa land titling. And then, me and Marion, hindi ko namin nag-take yun, pero we really studied it. Pero makikipag-partner din tayo sa TAMPE, UPGAA, and then LSG para meron tayong professional help. Since as students, we need more empowering people to help us do the task force and the caravan.
Follow up lang, ano yung KPI mo for this project?
Currently, our KPI is 10 farmers na mabibigyan ng land titles by the end of the term. And then, dapat magiging mandatory na siya for the next GE reps, which is really supported by the department chair. And then, ayun, basta matuloy siya through the years and 10 farmers with land titles.
Okay, so for the last question, rate your incumbents, UP grading system, no explanation.
I'll give them 1.25 for everyone.
I gave 1.25 for Rila and 1.5 for Esma and Hannah.
1 to 5 for everyone.
Okay, thank you, GE Rex.